Hurricane Florence began as a tropical storm on August 31st, 2018. Florence developed over the Cabo Verde Islands off the coast of West Africa, initially as a benign storm. As the storm moved westwards across the Atlantic Ocean toward the American coastline, it grew to be dangerous. At one point, Florence was considered a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 140 miles per hour when it hit its peak intensity southeast of Bermuda on September 10th. Hurricane Florence made landfall at 7:15 a.m. on September 14th, 2018, near Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, just east of Wilmington. The storm made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 90 miles per hour. It had peak wind gusts of 105 miles per hour. New Bern, North Carolina, was hit with a 10-foot storm surge. Florence was very large in size when it hit the U.S. coast. As the hurricane slowed down near the coast, a large part of the storm remained over the water, which led to major flooding in the Carolinas. This was caused by a ridge of high pressure over the eastern part of the continent, which stalled Florence's progress for several days. This resulted in the storm only moving at 2 or 3 miles per hour, causing the storm to continually dump heavy rain along the coast for nearly 3 days. Over 10 inches of rain fell over most of central and southern North Carolina and northeast South Carolina, with upwards of 35 inches of rain reported in parts of North Carolina. As the storm moved inland from September 15th to 17th, widespread flooding was caused by the intense rain, including Fayetteville, Smithfield, Lumberton, Durham, and Chapel Hill, due to the rivers cresting over their banks, such as the Neuse River, Eno River, Cape Fear River, and Lumber River. Florence was the wettest tropical cyclone ever recorded in the Carolinas, and the 8th wettest overall in the contiguous United States. Some researchers blame the monumental rains that accompanied Hurricane Florence on climate change, which caused a warmer ocean and atmospheric temperature. Due to such global warming, scientists estimate that the rainfall may have been over 50% more and the hurricane's width increased by 50 miles. Hurricane Florence's rain may be 50% worse thanks to climate change.